Hello and welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to compare two lists in Excel. Here we have two lists, patient ID and attendees. I want to compare patient IDs with these lists, right? Like where is A3 in this list? Where is A2? Where is A3? Where is B1, B2, C1 till the end. To compare these two lists, I added another column which is called order. It will represent the position of these patient IDs in this list, right? Before comparing it, select this whole range and I want to give it a name. To give it a name, then click formula, then name manager, here click new and give it list 2, then close it. Now to compare these two lists with each other, we use a function called match. Match function takes 3 arguments: lookup value, lookup array, and match type. First lookup value is this cell, right? I'm searching this patient ID and list 2, and it takes 3 values in the third part, in third argument 1 0 1, right? But I'm going for 0, which means exact match. Now drag and drop till the end. Now you can see where is A1. A1 is in the 8th position in attendees list. Let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Exactly. A1 is in the 8th position in attendees list. A2 is in the 7th position. A3 is 6. B1 4. B2 4. B1 5. B2 4. So on and so forth, right? I want to sort this. To sort this, select the whole range, then click home menu. Here select sort and filter, custom sort, and check this one. My data has headers, and then I want to sort this on order columns. So order would be smallest to largest, then click OK. Now you can see it looks great. If I delete a value from attendees column, right, now you can see it gives me an error. So I want to remove this error. So instead of this, I want to write missing or something else. Okay, select this cell, right? Then we use this function if errors. If there is error in this order list, then do what? Just write missing instead of this, not applicable or something else. Then close the brackets. Okay, then implement again this formula to the end. Now you can see instead of not applicable or an error, now we have this value. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching.